Hey every peoples, I've got an unboxing real quick. Well, I've already kind of started it, but here we go. From Mr. Murd3r.bird. You know, we all love Mr. Murd3r.birds. Oh, first up, candy corn 'tis this season. I bet you that might be a preview of something to come. What else we got in here? Oh, hey, look at that. He heard. My daughter absolutely loves duckies, so here is a ducky for the daughter. And these squeakies. Well, who knows? Squishy duck. All right, on to the big stuff. Big stuff, big stuff. Here we go, here we go. Oh, 4 ounces of resin filled with candy corns. Candy corn, uno. Dos. So, quite the haul from Mr. Murd3r.bird's. Let's get this stuff out of the way. There we go. Looks good, man. I appreciate it. Especially that little extra stuff that the guy throws in. I mean, he's such a nice guy. Love that, though. God, Lord, that's hefty. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. Threw the little face on it. Nice thing is, you don't like the face? Don't use a face. You want a face? Use a face. All right. Happy Halloween, y'all. Like I said, unboxing from Mr. Awesome Murd3r.bird. Pumpkins, candy corn, and duck. All right. Thank y'all. Oh, well, we might as well try it just for the hell of it. Ooh, duck glows good. All right. See y'all later. Thanks again, Mr. Murd3r.bird.